in this SolidWorks tutorial, I will explain you how to use the delete face command in SolidWorks. I have explained all the tools that are used in surface modeling in very short tutorials. I will provide the link in description. You can check that playlist as well. Select your top plane and click on sketch, guys. And here I am selecting this polygon and make here a hexagon like this, and select this line and make relation as horizontal. Now let's specify some dimensions. Here's my advice for you guys: always fully define the sketch. Now this is fully defined, and let me show you how to enable the surfaces tab. This is the surfaces tab. You can click it and it will get enabled like this. This is the surface tab, and here we have surface tab and all the tools available. Just click on extruded surface and select here mid plane, increase it from here and check this box. Just to better visualize, I am giving it some material. And now guys, here we have the option for the ruled surface. I am just explaining you if we are in some advanced stage and we want to delete our face, how we can do it. So that's why I'm using this ruled surface. So select all of these edges, and here we can select this normal to surface. By the way, I have explained this ruled surface as well. You can specify the length and check this box from here. So we are in somewhat advanced stage, and if we want to delete a face, although there are many other options, but this is the simplest option that I am going to explain you. This is the option for the delete face, guys. Just select it, and if we want to delete, let's suppose this face, just click on it and here check this delete but option and check this box from here. It will get deleted. And if you want to, let's suppose delete some other face, then edit sketch, and here we have options. You can select these two, or even though you can select all the faces manually one by one. So it's really up to you how you want to select it. Just check this box from here and it will get deleted. And let me delete this one, and let me delete the ruled surfaces. If you select this one, it will get deleted, but here we have options for the quick access. If you delete this one, it will get deleted like this. So you can delete the surfaces according to your need and requirement. And that's all for this video, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.